So, do you want to tell us about what we've got here then?
It's a 1952 Hudson Hornet.
Well, the famous Hudson Hornet.
The famous Hudson Hornet. The one in the film was a 2-door, this is a 4-door, and I've just bought it. So just trying to get it running. It runs, but not to any sense. So just check the compressions; they're all okay. I'll reset the points. The distributor was loose and hanging out, so that's just a ballpark at the moment. But the carbs are absolutely full of dirt and crap, so we've got to take them off and have a look.
What made you buy this car then?
I just like them.
Did you something you set out to buy, or is it just
No, just went with Gordon to buy some others that he bought. And this was on the driveway, so I bought it.
And what is it about the Hudson Hornet that you like?
I just like the shape. I like 50 stuff.
How much work do you reckon it needs doing to it then?
Not a lot. Like I say, it ran, but it's just all over the place. So just take the carbs off, give them a clean out. Accelerator pump wasn't working in the front carb, so yeah, you just got to go through it.
So first impressions, there's nothing major that...
No, it's got no... I mean, it's tatty on the outside, there's no rust holes in it anywhere. And a lot of this all... I did a couple of bits on the back, look, I don't know if you can see it. Just polished that little bit up, so you can get a reflection, you know, so it's not that bad. Just leave it as it is. The interior's all good. All American cars before it, your floor level was there. Yeah?
Okay.
So they've lowered the floor pan down over the chassis, so you step into it.
Okay.
So it's called a step down, and it's the first sort of, not monocoque, but similar to it. I can't remember what they call it now. It's on the door plate over here. Mono built, sort of like a roll cagey bit in it, and all sorts of weird stuff. Something's extremely blocked up in there. I'd say it's the main nozzle.
What made the car so fast in comparison to its rivals?
I don't really know. I suppose it was they had better handling because everything was lower, and with the twin carbs on, though that isn't the correct engine in there, but they were 170 horsepower, which is quite a lot for its day, you know.
Why has it got two carbs?
Just gave it more power. Yeah.
Is that normal for a race engine?
Yeah. Right, that's your check ball. That goes in there. Your top one, that'll go in there to stop the ball bearing going too far, I should think. Otherwise you don't get no pressure. Right, that's working now. So we have accelerator pump on both carbs now.
So how does it work having two carbs? Because the carburetor is there to control the injection of fuel, isn't it?
Yeah, you have to synchronise them both in together.
First impressions then?
Yeah, alright, I've got to get the idles down, find another spring for that side throttle. Put the air filters back on, that'll make a difference.
Sounds pretty good.
Yeah.
Definitely better than it was when you first started it.
Christ, you.
What's the next steps then?
I'll take everything out of it now, clean it all out inside and stuff, hoover it. I only wanted to get it going so I can get it over in the car park.
Okay.
So I can just leave it over there and I can finish my truck and then I'll concentrate on this.
Okay.
Yeah, it was just a matter of getting it going so I can, you know, give it a run round because I don't know what the brakes are like, I don't know anything's like, so we'll just get it all nailed back together and we'll have a look.
Next week on the workshop.
Right, well you got wheel bearings in a Harley wheel. See that moving up and down on that gap there, look?
Oh yeah.
See, that's your wheel bearings. But they're not like a normal, what you'd call a motorcycle wheel bearing, which is normally a ball bearing with cups.
Okay.
You screw it together, adjust it so you get no play. These haven't got that. There's shims in here and they're actual needle rollers that run that way. Hopefully I've ordered enough to do it, so we'll have a look and see.